This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are on the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Nicholas James Bridgewater. The Esperanto Teacher, a simple course for non-grammarians, by Helen Fryer. The alphabet, sounds of the letters. In Esperanto, each letter has only one sound, and each sound is represented in only one way. The words are pronounced exactly as spelt, every letter being sounded. Those consonants, which in English have one simple sound only, are exactly the same in Esperanto. They are B, D, F, K, L, M, N, P, R, T, V, Z. R must be well rolled. Q, W, X, Y are not used. C, G, H, S, which in English represent more than one sound, and J are also used with the mark circumflex. So, cho, go, jo, ho, ho, yo, jo, so, sho. C, whose two English sounds are represented by K and S, has the sound of ts, as in its, tsar. C with a circumflex, like ch, ch in church, match. G, hard as in go, gig, gun. G with a circumflex, soft, as in gentle, gem, or like J in just, Jew. H, well breathed, as in horse, home, how. H with a circumflex, strongly breathed, and in the throat, as in the Scotch word loch. Ask any Scotsman to pronounce it. H with a circumflex occurs but seldom. It is in the Irish GH in loch, and the Welsh CH. J, like Y in yes, you, or the J in hallelujah, fjord. J with circumflex, like the S in pleasure, or the French J, as in déjeuner, jaune d'arc. S, like the SS in ass, less, never like S in rose. S with a circumflex, like SH in she, shall, ship, or the S in sugar, sure. In newspapers, etc., which have not the proper type, C with a circumflex, G with a circumflex, H with a circumflex, J with a circumflex, S with a circumflex are often replaced by CH, GH, HH, JH, SH, or by C apostrophe, G apostrophe, H apostrophe, J apostrophe, S apostrophe, and U with a breve by U. U with a breve is also a consonant and has the sound of W in we, as Europo, or U in persuade. The vowels A, E, I, O, U have not the English but the continental sounds. A always like the A in ah, or in tart. E like the E in bend, but broader, like E in there. I is a sound between E in meet and I in is. O like O in for, or in the Scottish no, or au in ought. U like the double O in boot, pour. A, E, I, O, U are all simple sounds, that is, the mouth is kept in one position while they are being sounded. In learning them, lengthen them out, and be careful not to alter the position of the mouth, however long they are drawn out. In the compound sounds given below, the shape of the mouth changes. To get the correct pronunciation, sound each letter fully and distinctly, gradually bringing them closer until they run together, when they become almost as follows: I, nearly like the I in aisle, or I in nice, fine. A, nearly like A in vain. Oi, nearly like oi in boy, or oi in void. Ui, nearly like ui in hallelujah. Ow, like ow, or nearly ow in house, pronounced broadly, house. Ew, like ew, or ew in they were, ew in wayward. Practice saying aya, eya, oya, uya, awa, ewa several times quickly, then gradually drop the final a. Aya, eya, oya, uya, awa, ewa. Ai, ei, oi, ui, au, ew. Accent. The accent or stress is always placed on the syllable before the last, as espero, esperanto, esperantisto, esperantistino, juna, junulo, junularo. All the syllables must be clearly pronounced, not slurred over. Exercise in pronunciation. A, as in bath, patra, lana, agrabla, malvarma, clara, pafado. As in bend, bela, mem, fenestro, vendredo, treege, lettero. I, as in see, mi, ili, imiti, visiti, trinki, insisti. O, as in for, homo, roso, colombo, dormo, the R rolled, morto, popolo. U as in boot. Unu, dum, brulu, surtuto, vulturo, murmuri. I as in nice. Ein, kai, raito, tailoro, fairo, belai. A as in play. Veino, heimo, play, heito. Oi as in boy. Patroi, foino, homoin, koino, soilo, konkoi. Ui as in hallelujah. Tui, ciui, tiui. Au as in cow. Antau, laubo, fraulino, causi, auscultu, audi. Eu like eu. Europo, neuralgio, eucaristo, reumatismo. So equals ts in bits. Celo, facila, bellezzo, officiro, pazzo, ticonio, solo. Cho equals ch in match. Chu, ech, che, chambro, cerpi, tranci, riccia. Go as in good. Longa, legi, genuo, gento, gliti, grosso. Jo as in gem. Gemi, gis, giardeno, saggia, mangi, regio. Ho breathed. Haro, hirundo, haringo, historio, hedero, himno. Ho in throat. Gemio, cholero, mechanico, echo, chaoso. Yo like y. Iuna, maiesta, signoro, caiero. Yes, ya. Jo equals j. Bonajo, jeti, giornalo, jus, jaudo, jaluso. So, s. Super, ses, stari, trans, vespero, svingi, sho, sh, fresha, shelo, kushi, shtupo, shviti, shveli, ks, exerzo, exemplo, exameno, executi, exili, existi, kv, kvar, kvin, kvieta, kvankam, kverko, kvazau, gv, gvidi, lingvo, kn, knabo, knedi, sc, scio, sceno, sceptro, exciti, excenso, scienzo, cento, sento, celo, celo, scelo, solo, colo, ci, ci, ets, ec, cruzo, crucio, pago, pagio, regi, regi, segi, seggio, horo, choro, besi, besi, stelo, stelo, sango, shango, verso, versi, disiri, disciri, gusta, giusta, stupo, stupo, stalo, stalo, posto, posto, reservi, reservi, ruggigi, ruccigi, ricigi, ricigi, ricezzo, ftiso, aero, oceano, feino, giui, perei, pereu, foiro, ciujara, vojoj, trousi, forrampi, quiri, squamo, zoologio, enui, detruu, spruzzi, ruini, januaro, februaro, lieno, hodiaŭ, hieraŭ, Hungarujo, Neapolo, sciuro. Note: a useful mnemonic for the Esperanto vowels is par, per, pier, por, pur, but the sounds should not be dragged. It is helpful to note that the English words mate, rain, pain, bend, meet, beat, feel, lady, grow, loan, soft, mute, yes, mule, as pronounced in London and south of England, would be written in Esperanto thus: mate, rain, bane, bend, meet, beat, feel, lady, grow, loan, soft, mute, yes, mule. End of the alphabet. Sounds of the letters.